You can see all purchases relevant reports are in one screen. The left side is the list of reports. When you select any one of them, the relevant criteria on the right side will be changed. Reports and relevant criteria can be extended. You can even control if one user can see a report or criterion. You can get multi-views at the same time. In this case, you can get multi-views for invoice, vendor, product, employee, location, product category, and product style. Not every view is available for every edition. Say a location view is only available for editions with multi-locations and product style view is only available for apparel industry. You can get a view for product category straight away. That's one of benefits to assign a category to each product item. By default, all views are ticked. That means you can get all views at the same time. But you can just tick some views or even only one view. If there are very large amount data, you could save time to get results if you do not tick all views. There are many reports on the left side. Let's see General Report here. A general report is a report with the full list of criteria but normally without criteria value. You can do anything in this report. But normally, it's not the easiest way for everything in this report. All other reports, basically, are simplified based on general report for particular purposes. You may be interested in the combinations of invoice date range, vendor, and product. If you enter date range and vendor, you can get reports of vendor by invoices, products, and employees. If you enter date range and product, you can get reports of product by invoices, vendors, and employees. If you enter date range, vendor, and product, you can get reports of vendor and product by invoices and employees. Let's try purchases invoices and credit notes here. You can see normally you should enter date range and optionally, you can enter location. If you untick date range, that means all purchases invoices and credit notes will be there. Click this button to get results. The screen moves to by invoice page first. You can see an invoice list here and total values on the bottom. You can click this button to move the record pointer to the last and click this button to move the record pointer to the first. You can search something in the report results. There is a small box above the invoice list. This small box is for you to do quick and incremental search for purchases invoices. If you know invoice ID, that's easiest. For example, if you enter 2, the system will automatically extend the code to PI00000002 and then the list will be positioned on PI00000002. You can see there is a hand picture when you move your mouse on an invoice number. That means if you double-click this number, the system will jump to purchases invoice. Let's see what will happen. You can see the system is opening purchases first and then searching the number and then clicking details page automatically. OK, let's close purchases screen and go back purchases analysis. You can change the order of the invoice list. You can see there are many options. Say if you choose total, the invoice list will be reordered from smallest invoice amount to biggest invoice amount. You can do incremental search and change the order for all other views. Let's have a look for by vendor, by product, by employee, by location, by product category and by product style. If you just tick product view, you can see the system will jump to by product page directly. Let's untick all other views except product and then click run button. You can see the screen is switching to by product page straight away.